Hello, this is a time-compressed demonstration of the Migration Assistant for migrating from UCM on-premises to UCM Cloud. The objective of this time-compressed demonstration is to show you very quickly what the utility looks like and to give you an idea of the user interface. It's about 2 minutes long, and I'll be narrating over it, but I've also added some call outs to give you a visual indication of what's happening and sometimes why it's happening. But pay attention and don't blink because it's going to be over before you even realize it. Is define the migration. So you change the role from administrator to migration assistant, and you go to migrations and you define a new customer migration. You select your source and target clusters, your destination essentially that you previously defined. You'll add a text description, country, schema if you don't want to use the default, and the dial plan. And then you start the discovery. This happens pretty fast in this, but so initially you'll see we're running in discovery mode, and then after a period of time, discovery is going to change to allocation mode. Same thing, after a period of time, that it'll change to validation, and issues will be identified based on the rules. And then after this, a summary is going to be displayed. There may be some warnings, and you can go and look at the resolutions potentially. Don't be afraid of the red. The rules could be benign. Make any changes if you need, and now you can prepare your sites. So you select whichever site, and then you go to migration and you validate. Now you're going to prepare your preview and then start the migration. So once you've prepared, now you're going to load the data, and you start that. Again, this will take some period of time. It all depends on the size of your site. And then now that the site's prepared or loaded, you're going to move it to the actual target, and you start that migration. And again, this will take time depending on the size of the cluster. And now you've prepared, loaded, and moved the site. And if you need, you can even roll back. You can then perform the initial trust list reset, and that's it. You're done. For help, go to ucmcloudhelp.cisco.com.